Mugavana we county ya Nyamira Mheshimiwa Amos Nyaribo nigo bono bune nchira ya moyo kugendera gusira oboremi na bego konyora rigesari yago cyase abaremi kurwase county yo nigo ritkori arase cyabisi cyae anyara ko baga ko arigania abagani kurwase chinse chaisko hedigo cya kwanekya unambachiko bwatoka obosemi go cyasa bamenye be chinse mecho ase chinchira cyo kwanekya oboremi bwekerero kirache commentary gesana ko bakonya abaremi be chinse mecho kwagendera
Biyamano abantu baito je Amos Nyaribo gavana Nyamira lero gato bwata bageni alito kana barubwe gasi tubwata abantu ko Norway tubwata partners ko UNIDO tubwata na ba kana barubwe gasi ko bari partners to kora mana value addition Igo lero wacha agotarira barimi tubwate program togo somia barimi 1000 tuasomi 250 na wabere batatu mwaro to ile certificate ili banya kolegasi abuya Igo wacha lero gotarira na korora sto ikire na ende mwario ye wakore panana wa kuwatiri toke ngakiri gotumeka kuru muchakano pako mwario aye banse chae kawa ne bintu bindi cha avocado iyo bacha twakora usibono tutate konde feed watara baremi anya ukwana na baremi directly bamanye ngaki kiara tutate kwa gache dasro party ga Nyamira banda bange anye sana ibiro sana sata sikomi na balemi umoremi na bako na okoyo yigo lakini itali koreka no so change wanu to moremi awe at the center of what say faida yo moremi aso ko make sure media korema bilgo sarika bitara ikere chiro ose bitara ba change it into other products.
In Nyamira we do a lot in food security. We depend on small-scale mixed farmers to feed our people and earn a living. So there is a lot we do, and in all that we do, we always seek to work with partners. We have been working at a lower level with the FAO. We have been working with Tito along for many years. In 2016, we had a very important activity at Vigoma. We had a World Food Day celebration that was attended by very many stakeholders, and we have always been looking forward to having many such events where all come together to work together. You just say work together. And we know that when we work together, everyone achieves more.
So that there is connectivity between the two. What is it that we, as UN, where can we come in? What is the tasks that need to be done in order for private sector to follow us? How can we facilitate for economic development by unlocking certain processes? In this case, Kenya has very many good policies on sustainable economic development, but we discovered that there is one key word that we need to put in place to close the loop, literally to close the loop, and that is circularity. So there is the waste management bill coming in, there is sustainable economic growth bill coming in, and it's still linear very many times, and we need to close the loop.